As you know, I'm Carrie. I'm come from China and I work in Dubai. It's my first time here in Turkey. So I suffer from hair loss like 3 years ago, and I've done twice hair transplant. So it's the third time I've done it. And it's not as painful as I expected. You know, everything just goes so surprising. The recovery is so fast, and there is even no much pain. In this clinic, everyone is so good looking. I didn't know that before I came here. If I knew that, I would have come earlier. So, and everyone is attractive. They are warm-hearted. The smell is warm, and in general, the experience is pleasant. Thank you, Health Center of Turkey. I love you guys.